going Home Chef today. I got my first box of Home Chef delivered today. Golden barbecue pork meatballs. I wanted to surprise Nick and make him some stuff because he was kind of, not like he was stressing, but he was a little worried with when we had the meat and milk and eggs and shortage and all that. Anyways, so I got my first Home Chef meal. I have my camera kind of set up, but look at this. It came with a little 3-ring binder so I can put my recipes in there. Super easy. All I needed was olive oil. Otherwise, they sent me everything else in these nice little oven-ready things. I just have to put it all together. The potatoes and the meatballs. I did a serving of stick just because they want to have like 3 meatballs each. But in here we have our potatoes and our seasoning. We got crispy jalapenos, Grey Poupon, mustard, Parmesan, cheese. What's this? Golden barbecue sauce. Look at it, isn't it cute? So I'm gonna mix up the meatballs. And then put the meatballs in half, and then put the potatoes in half, and shove them in the oven. Super slick and easy. I want to see if this is less than a 30-minute meal, because when we did the other at-home meal thing, I can't even remember the name of it. What was it? I don't remember. I still get coupons from them. That's how much they did not make an impact on me, right? Okay, so prep and cook time, 30 to 40 minutes. I already preheated the oven to 425. I'm going to combine the ground beef. And you could do, I think you can get turkey or ground pork also. But we did ground beef. I'm going to mix this all together in a bowl. And then form meatballs. But I need to empty out all my trays. Because, like I said, I got a thing for 6 people to eat. So I have 3 trays that I need to fill up. I already have my bowl. Can you guys see me? What are you guys making tonight for dinner? Usually Mondays we grill. And I just thought, I'm just going to make this because we got this today in the mail. I should have brought the garbage over. It got delivered right to my door. I can customize the meals. I actually got $100 off. I'm just going to bring the garbage over. I got a $100 off coupon, and it's applied over 4 weeks. So every week I get a $25 off coupon, and then I can share my code with people if they also want money off. I think it's $35 off, and then I can get an additional $35 off. And tomorrow I think we're going to make buffalo chicken tacos, but that's a crock pot meal. I didn't even look to see what kind of, like you know how you get the meat at the grocery store and it's like 93.7 or 97.3. Okay. So it says to take the hamburger meat, and I'm going to just grind it up a little bit before I add the Dijon mustard. Tell me what you guys are up to. Like, what are you trying to do to pass the time? Today we went on a drive, and my mom yelled at me. She said, "You're supposed to stay home." I was like, I needed to go to a drive, and we stopped at a little park. We had not been anywhere since Wednesday last week when I got put gas in the Beamer. Okay, let's find what we got here. So we need to do the Dijon Planko, Italian Planko blend. That must be this. And the Parmesan, not the cheese. The cheese is for the potatoes. Cheese, potatoes, that'll be next. Italian panko, Parmesan, garlic salt. That's for the potatoes, garlic salt. Italian panko, already showed you this. Oh, stop. Mustard, jalapenos, that's for after. Nick is super excited for these crispy jalapenos. He likes things that are hot. You need to get down. You don't get to come up here at all. Nope. Harper, do you want to help me? Pull the step stool up here. Today was Harper's first day of virtual learning. How did that go today, Harper? Here, you dump it in. No, that's, you can just throw it away. That's like garlic, panko. I don't know. Here you go. This is Parmesan. Yeah, Italian panko blend. Panko? How do you say it? Panko? Panko? Here you go. We got 3 of these to dump in. We have to make 6 times 3. What's 6 times 3? I don't know. So what's 6 plus 6? 6 plus 6 is 12. And so then if you add another 6 to the 12, so if you have 12 and then add 6 more, what do you got? $12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 meatballs we have to make. Oh my goodness, right? They can see us making meatballs, right? Okay. Are you ready? So I have to mix this all up, and then I'm going to form them into meatballs. You want to do something for me while we're doing that? The potatoes came in an individual package. I'm just going to have Miss Harper dump. You're just going to use half. Okay? So can you put potatoes on half?
All of them?
Yes, but just on one half, because on the other half goes the meatballs. It's kind of fun. I guess this could be like home ec class. Huh? Oh, we forgot the mustard. SOS! We forgot the mustard.
SOS means so. SOS. I don't know.
The garbage is right next to you, honey, remember? Camden and Sawyer are outside swimming. It's finally nice again today. It was really hard having Friday, Saturday, Sunday rainy. I know that sounds really bad. I shouldn't complain. And I'm not complaining. Just harder when you can't get them outside while they are already cooped up. We rented the movie Jumanji, The Next Level. What'd you think of that movie, Harper?
Scary and cool.
Scary and cool. Okay, next set of potatoes. There you go. You can dump that. And then remember the garbage is right next to you. Thank you, honey. It's a lot of mustard. Daddy was
5 packs.
Daddy was excited to say Grey Poupon.
Can I put it on the side?
Yes, ma'am. You can. How was virtual learning today?
I said good.
Oh yeah, I already asked you that, didn't I?
Yeah.
I kind of asked a lot of the same questions, huh?
Yeah.
Do you want to dump cheese on it? And then it comes with cheese, individually packaged cheese.
Cheese on the side.
Cheese on top of your potatoes. The whole thing. Nicely. That's okay.
I can get it.
We can fix it. It's just for us. Just for us. Right? Woo. Grey Poupon made with white wine. It definitely is a little kick to it.
That's why it does not look like real mustard.
Okay. Let's do this cheese.
That's why it doesn't look like real mustard.
This is jalapenos have to wait.
Get back up.
You're doing awesome, Harper. And then after we get the meatballs rolled and made, we stick it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm taking it that this prep is supposed to take 10 minutes. And then when it comes out of the oven, we dump the barbecue sauce on top of the meatballs.
Barbecue sauce?
Yeah. We're having a barbecue meatballs and potatoes. And then I'll probably cut up the cantaloupe. This is gonna make, yes, this is how I make meatballs.
In real life?
In real life, yeah.
With mustard?
Yeah. You've been eating them that way, and then when I make meatloaf too.
I did not even know.
I know, because it bakes. Okay, let's switch. Potatoes and cheese again. Can you open it for me? Oh, you could have just thrown it away. Okay, we're gonna roll some meatballs. I don't wonder how big they have to be. It's kind of like rolling cookies, right? You think so?
Yeah.
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 What side are you going on? That side? Okay. We'll fill this tray up first. Maybe that one's...
Oh, Ron's juice.
It's okay. Just roll it in. Welcome to home ec class. Happy Monday, my quarantined friends. We are trying Home Chef for the first time. And tonight we are making, what is this called? Golden barbecue meatballs with potatoes topped with crispy jalapenos. I just, right there, the green stuff. I just made,
Go back there.
I just mixed up the meat with Dijon mustard and Parmesan and Italian seasoning, right? I might have to make these smaller, maybe. I don't think I'm going to get 18 out of this. I think I made those too big. You want to hold it up and show them? Oh, no, the whole thing. Can you pick up the whole thing?
Okay.
I might have made that too big. Maybe that's Daddy's plate. This could easily be made at home as well. That's kind of why I try to do some smaller, easier meals. Like I said, tomorrow we're going to do buffalo chicken in the crock pot because it'll just be easy to throw the chicken in the crock pot and then shred it. Tonight, what are we going to do after we eat dinner? Gym class? Yes, they sent home some home workouts to do. And Nick is the awesome gym teacher because he's been working on losing some weight and exercising.
Also, I comed up with 100 jumping jacks.
Did you? You guys did 100 jumping jacks yesterday, didn't you? Yeah, yeah. Well, I will make sure to share some pictures in my stories. So if you are not following my stories or my Snapchat, make sure you hit me up and I can add you to my Snapchat or hit the follow button for more fun, right? We've been having lots of fun. We've made Play-Doh. Yeah. We're going to do lots of fun stuff, I think, this week. I got some science experiments I think we're going to go live about.
Today?
Not today.
Tomorrow?
Probably maybe tomorrow, yeah. Today we crimped your hair for the first time. Did you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that pan is done. Okay. Well, I'm going to wash my hands. And I'm going to pop these in the oven because I have all of our meatballs rolled. And look at that, 4:13. Yes, because we like to have dinner on the table by 5 usually because the kids go to bed around 7. I mean, lately it's kind of been 7:30 just to let them stay up a little bit. They definitely don't sleep in though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
We go to bed at 7 now.
Dad's being a creeper. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Drop in the comments. Let me know if what you're having for dinner tonight. Like, let's talk about what we're eating. Okay? back and hit the button.